All right, we are at 34 Caramel Lane in Rossville, Georgia. It's December the 5th, about 10:45 a.m. It's 47 degrees and sunny today. We will be making a repair on this shingle right here. It's outlined and marked. I'll be using this thin blade scraper to get under these other shingles, lift them up, remove the nails, and slide in a new architectural shingle. Being very careful while lifting these to not lift too high, only enough to get a pry bar in and underneath the nails. Old shingle coming out. Here's our new shingle to go in. Already you can see this shingle is wider than what we have existing. Overhangs about 2.5 inches. We will try to get this in there, make it fit as best we can for the sake of the repair. But manufacturers do not recommend cutting shingles. It's not covered at that point and is not full performing shingle. Also notice exposure is about 1 inch lower on these than the existing shingles as well. And what we have here for the install is a certainteed landmark that is in the color driftwood, just for reference. Lift these shingles just enough to be able to hit the nail zone. Trying to be very careful with how much I lift these shingles, but still allow myself enough room to work as would be required with a larger scale repair. Now that those are reattached, you can see everything is back down as it should. This shingle here split just a little bit when making that lift to get a nail under there. And you can see the repaired shingle dimensions are incorrect. We will be sending off the other shingle for an ITEL to verify size, make, model. As you can see here along this top line, the light white granules are falling off, creating that crease along the top there, and also the brittle shingles that were ripping when lifted, and you can also see from a distance.